All right, what's up, everybody? So I just wanted to make a quick video talking about how to use dip pens. This is something that I use as part of my regular inking tools. I primarily use a brush, but I definitely do use dip pens or quills or nibs or whatever term you'd like to use for certain types of details that you can't really get with a brush. So I use the industry standard Speedball or Hunt 102 nibs. So we're going to go ahead and open up this pack, and I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to prepare them for use. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up here. Let's take one out. Okay. So now when I say prepare them for use, what I mean is that if you try to use one of these out of the box, the line quality isn't super great. The reason why is because they all come with a kind of like very thin film. It's like an oil that they use to protect the coating, the stainless steel coating on it. So to get the best use out of these nibs, you have to kind of take that coating off. So I'm just gonna show you like some of the ways that I use to take that coating off. So the first way is actually to use a lighter. You don't want to like hold it on there and melt the nib or anything like that. It's just like a quick pass to burn off any oil. So you just light your lighter and hold it a little bit for a few seconds. That should burn it off. What I also like to do is after I put it, after I light it with the lighter, I just dip it in some degreaser. So this is like regular home degreaser. It looks kind of grody right now because it's used. And also, excuse my my dirty table because it also gets used. So yeah, that is how I usually get the whatever oil or film or whatever is on these off of it. So I'll take a lighter, make a quick pass over it to burn off any oil, then dip it in degreaser to get any of the excess. And now this is ready for use. Now, just be mindful when you use a lighter, make sure, again, you don't hold it over the lighter for too long because then it will start to melt these tines. These 2 separating sections are called tines. If you hold them for too long, they can start to become uneven and then it's just like completely unusable. So you don't want that. So those are 2 ways. The other way that you can take that film off of a nib, and I'll go ahead and grab the other one in this pack. All right. Is to use a kneaded eraser. Now, if you don't know what a kneaded eraser is, it is a type of eraser that is moldable like clay. And let me just grab it here. One sec. Okay, here we go. So basically, it's moldable like clay. The main use as a drawing tool is that it allows you to erase really lightly instead of erasing everything. So, and then, it's easy to clean because you can just kind of like pull and stretch it out and like turn it inside out and it's clean again. But you can also use it to wipe off the film that are on these nibs. Again, I would just dip it in some degreaser after I'm done because this also kind of leaves a film. But you wipe off the oil or whatever it is, the grease off of these. Typically, with the Hunt 102s, you would use a dip pen holder, something that kind of looks like this. I have a broken nib in here. Kind of shows you that I don't really use these. So you usually get something like this, or you would find something like this to fit this into, and that's okay. I have this contraption actually, so I have to kind of show you what this is. So this is an old nib, But what this is it is actually a big lead holder, an ergonomic lead holder. I wish I could show you what it looks like without this tape on here. This is for like for further ergonomics because I don't want carpal tunnel. But the big red section is a big lead holder that holds lead of a considerable diameter. There's a part of a smaller lead holder in here, so I can hold the small nib, and then I just take this whole contraption and I put a nib in it, and this allows me to ink comfortably for hours. So that is how I prepare my nibs for use. I'm just going to grab one of these spare blue line pages I have to show you how that works. So once this is cleaned off and ready to go, I just dip it in some ink here. And there we go. This is looking good. Looking very sharp. It's giving me the line quality that I want. I could be doing better, but essentially that's the line quality that I want. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you are interested in more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you all later. Thanks.